Lawsuit over medical debt incurred by my disabled daughter. Edit. I live in Michigan. I have an adult daughter who has significant cognitive disabilities. As a result, she is essentially indigent other than any support I provide her. Her annual income from employment usually is less than $1,000 per year. She reads at about a second-grade level, so insurance and legal documents are way over her head. In 2018, she tripped and suffered a minor ankle sprain. Some stranger called an ambulance for her, and she was taken to the emergency room of a local hospital. At the time, she was covered under my insurance, which pays 100% for emergency room visits. The insurance company quickly paid the entire hospital bill. But I have been unable to get the ambulance company to bill the insurance company for the ambulance trip. They sent a bill shortly after, which included an area to fill out insurance information. I filled that out, had her sign it, and then mailed it back to the ambulance company. But they never billed the insurance. About 6 months ago, she received a notice from a local law firm that they were filing a lawsuit to recover the amount. I wrote up an explanation of what happened here, included the insurance information and a request that the ambulance company bill the insurance company, had my daughter sign that, and then faxed it to the lawyer's office. About a month later, they simply sent back a "We see you're disputing the debt" letter that restated the amount and date of the ambulance service. Today, they had someone serve her with papers for the lawsuit. Any suggestions on how to handle this? There was information in what was served to her about a local group that does mediation for cases. So I reached out to them with an online form. You've been served. Get a lawyer. Since there's been a lawsuit filed, definitely consult an attorney. Look for debtors' rights attorneys in your area. Bring all the papers and insurance information you have, and I'd include your explanation of benefits. Something I'd make sure to bring up is whether or not in-network providers have to bill your insurance in your state. I'd assume they do, since to be in-network, the insurance company has a contract with the provider where they negotiate the rates the company will pay. If so, and if they're an in-network provider, should be able to find out through your insurance. Consider reporting them to your insurance, as it would be a breach of their contract with the insurance company to not bill them. Also ask your attorney about claiming costs, penalties, and attorney's fees since they sued you after you provided them the information they needed to get paid. IANAL. I know this is like closing the barn door after the horse is gone, but your daughter is very likely eligible for SSI and Medicaid. Is there a reason you haven't applied? NAL. Have you spoken with your insurance company? They may have denied the ambulance charge claim. NAL. But work in insurance. Almost all ambulance companies are out of network. If they bill the insurance company, they may be forced to accept a lower rate than what they're asking from you. I'd definitely get a lawyer. There may be free or low-cost legal clinics in your area if money is an issue. Not law-related, but why is she not on SSDI? I agree on contacting a debtor's rights attorney. Contact legal aid if you can't get one. I would also notify her insurance ASAP. Perhaps ask the attorney before doing so, if you can. Know the deadlines for when you need to answer the lawsuit. She is judgment-proof most likely, so there isn't much for them to get out of a lawsuit. Even if they won, they would likely get nothing from her. Her cooperation in getting the insurance company to pay may be more valuable than any judgment. So I imagine your attorney would talk it over, explain that she is judgment-proof, and arrange a settlement for a small amount and find a way for them to work with the insurance.
If you enjoyed this video, please check out our playlists full of similar content. Epic Ericast is like doom scrolling for your ears. Please like, share, and subscribe.